Here I have ASUS ROG Phone 6D, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and ASUS logo appears, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this, and after that you will end up in boot mode. So basically this is the boot mode, this is how it looks. So here we have such options as recovery mode. Firstly you should know that using volume keys you can navigate through this mode, and using power key you can select options. And you have such options as recovery mode, normal mode, shut down device, and reboot bootloader. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option normal mode and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.